Hey everybody, Steel here. Welcome to my quick review of the Lego City Set 60402. It's the monster truck. Now, this is one of the coolest city sets for me that came out in 2025. Just so awesomely done. Um, Love these big wheels. Playing around with this. Kids will be doing this for hours. It's a solid set. Weak points maybe at the back of these supports, but really awesome, really cool. It also helps that we've got prints as opposed to stickers, just the two printed pieces. But they do, add a bit of something to the set. And then our driver pops out. Yeah. Okay, let's take that out to get my big fingers in there. Doesn't want to come out. He's having too much fun. We get our driver. It's got the same kind of theme as the flames on the side printed on the back and front, so that's cool. You get a little hair piece. So when he's not busy crashing over things and into things with his monster truck. But yeah, just it's a super little set. It is, dare I say it, worth the money. It's not that expensive, and especially if you get it on the sale, it's just super worth it. Kids all love this. It's awesome. Right, thanks everybody. See you in the next one.